What's up, world? Barbecue today on this beautiful day. Got a couple of guys coming over from the club. We're gonna do a little meet. Maybe install a few goodies on a few cars or a car. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it should be a fun time. Todd just showed up. Got the slowest car in the group. He's like, what? What'd he say? Lucas just showed up. Got his roof wrapped. Looks so good. Shay showed up. 370 Nismo. Clean as fuck. Right? Says it right there. And then Mustang. Logan showed up. Max showed up. Luke. Jeremy. Pretty good turnout. Pretty good turnout.
Fast and Furious video?
Yeah. Fast and Furious Life, tuna no crust. Yeah. So yeah, probably gonna be doing something today.
All these cars move.
Yeah, we can jockey everybody around.
Fucking blow valve. The Turbosmart one.
Oh, nice.
It's adjustable, so I can make it like not as loud as Lucas's.
Right.
So that it doesn't go off.
That boomba.
Yeah. And then this is like sort of eBay, but like good quality eBay.
Yeah, high quality eBay. You're hearing it first.
Dude, I'm actually really surprised at how good the wheels look. Honestly.
I mean, they're alright.
I mean, they look good for fucking $300.
Shit, yeah, that's something.
This full stainless steel 3-inch, so it's bigger than the Cobb one, I think.
Most of the exhausts that you buy for these cars are 2 3/4, I think.
Yeah.
That hanger.
And then you can tell it's gonna be kind of a bitch because you gotta go like under the axle. Like,
Yeah.
So we probably just have to cut.
I know how
one.
it's routed.
You think you can get out without cutting it? Because I think most people just fucking cut the old one
And
to
then
get it out. Because this has like, it's not long. Like
Yeah.
it's multiple pieces.
I
It
got
can
it.
be like 4 things.
bro, I got a Sawzall.
Oh yeah, we can just cut it if that's.
You got the air Dremel now too.
I don't know
Oh yeah, and I got metal blades too.
I think that would
yeah.
cut, a Dremel would cut an exhaust.
No, I have a rotary tool,
Yeah.
pneumatic rotary tool.
Yeah, I mean, I figured you'd have something to cut it. I have something in my house.
Yeah, you're in luck. I had just picked up some metal blades a couple of days ago.
Whenever we were doing shit with my shit.
I love this
Sweet.
thing that I can fit big
What
shit.
brand is it?
SRS,
SRS?
which is like it's made in Japan,
Yeah.
but it's pretty much I found it on Amazon and eBay.
Okay. I mean, fuck it. Whatever.
Yeah.
It's piping, dude.
Yeah, and it got pretty
You know?
good reviews. So.
Yeah, it's piping.
I think it's gonna be pretty loud because he's literally just gonna have a
Just the
resonator.
downpipes and that'll be loud as fuck.
All right, so we got the car on jack stands. And over on this side, we got the wheel off. In order to get to the blow-off valve, you got to take this passenger side wheel off. And then it's back. Let's see, where is it? I can't really. It's hard to show on camera, but let me see.
You see it right above the axle?
Yeah, it's right above the axle behind that wire. Let me move that. So, right here, where my finger is behind this wire. So, you have to get these Allen keys off. Ford is great. Decided to put Allen keys on, so Max is going to try this ingenuity.
I don't know how this end is going to turn it, but we'll see.
Yeah, just give it a shot, fuck it. Yep. But yeah, I'm about to go cut off the exhaust, and we're going to put the upgraded one on. Alright, so we got the exhaust cut, and we got it out.
Hey, I'm assuming the flex pipe side goes to the downpipe, huh?
Probably. And then we got the boost controller on. Putting the wheel on right now. How much of a pain in the ass was it?
It wasn't that bad. It was just kind of tedious.
Make sure that you have, what?
A fucking socket for the Allen key that you need.
Yeah, a socket for an Allen key and a huge extension.
It doesn't have to be that huge, but enough to reach all the way up in there.
Yeah, definitely helps.
Can grab some bolts real quick?
Alright. Whoop, oh, bolts. You're good? Looking good.
Come back to me. Right there. That's money right there.
How much glass is sticking out on your side?
Nothing.
Yeah,
I'm
nothing.
level.
I
I'm
got some
flush.
sticking out right here.
Yeah, you got some sticking out?
Yeah, it's in this corner.
Come.
Right there is flush for me.
Okay, all right.
Alright, do
Just
that.
see how much he's got dead on that side.
Put it
I
down.
don't want to leave it off. How much you got on it then?
Oh, yeah? Okay, y'all didn't take them off
Let me
yet.
see. Move your hand.
No.
Move your hand. Oh no, you need to go to
On the front, not the back.
Go this way a little.
Right there?
Yeah, right there.
Split's good?
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's
All right,
it.
you got any tape? Like masking tape where we know where our
Hold
spots are.
on,
We can
hold
pull
on,
it and
hold on,
feel it.
hold on.
Got your thumb? Someone mark their thumb on that side.
No, he's over.
He's over?
Yep,
So we need to come back to me?
just a little. Oh,
Right there, whoa.
Right there.
Right there? I can have all that. Come on, just pull it off. You see that?
Yeah, you got that. Just put the corner right here. You're good. Look.
I got my
Yeah. All right, let's lay it over. How many people does it take
There
to
you go. Nice.
install something with 3M tape?
That's it, man.
This is the answer right here.
What, 6? We've got 6.
You gotta have spectators.
2 fingers. Somebody holding the camera.
Just get the big one. I believe we've got both of the small ones licked over here.
We're up 7 now. 7 people.
All right.
Sweet. All right.
One shot. Here, fine.
What?
One opportunity.
All right.
Mom's spaghetti.
Come to me some. Don't wait.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Too late. It's too late.
I'm there.
Perfect.
I'm good. I'm Gucci.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Give me that towel.
Oh yeah, put it on backwards.
Look.
Just 30 seconds. It's okay. Solid pressure.
I'm worried about up here.
I double.
Let's see your glass cleaner.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's clean.
It's
Now you
clean
need
because he
it. Now
just
you
wiped
need
it
it.
off.
Let's clean it off.
Splitter.
Glass
Or,
cleaner.
yeah, they sell a diffuser that covers
The side profile's legit.
Yeah, I got it dips in the middle.
like the sun hitting it.
Yep. Good job, everybody.
They're probably
Right?
Yay!
Oh. All right, Max has got mid pipe bolted up. Now we're doing the pipe that goes over the rear control arms, getting those tightened up.
You only tighten the mid one.
Yeah, it's almost ready.
Going straight down to the ground.
Right? Just like that, dude. Just like that, bro.
Dump to.
We'll just, we'll let the road just shave this right here. No big deal.
Nick, you got my bait?
Yeah, he's the only one not working.
You got exhausted.
Got it?
Well, this is a no name, so.
You gotta just leave it unhooked and let him go down the road with it.
Mine
Right?
didn't no name or HB. He did it to me. They looked exactly like
Not bad for an eBay special or Amazon special.
How much is this thing, Max?
How much was the exhaust, Max?
$320 on eBay, but somebody said that you can make an offer and get it as low as $250 or even like $300.
You heard the man. You heard the man. 250.
Offer away.
What's in the group set? Should have got any video of that.
I was just playing on my phone the whole time.
Okay.
Troy's bitch ass finally showed up.
Sorry, what?
Rev it. Sounds good.
Yeah.
That blow valve sounds fucking sick.
About to roll out. Go for a little cruise.
What's up? Diverse in the house.
Sorry.
It's good seeing you, man.
Yeah, brother. Sounds like injectors. All right. God damn. All right, well,